With your heels not hanging over quite so much. Perfect. There we go. All right, here we go.
Watch where you're going.
Good for you. Look at you, Brice. Now, can you turn around? Come all the way around.
Whoa! Wow, that's good, right?
Good job.
That's a tight little corner.
That is. Brice is so natural. He's got good balance.
Now we go over there.
We'll turn around and push both toes down.
Whoa! That was fun.
Well, good
huh?
job.
That was
Give me
nice.
5. Yeah.
Thanks.
Can we go that way now?
Yeah. I think Grandma was going to see you. And
Hey, Mom.
oops, we caught that cement there. Okay. Your turn. You bumped into the wall. We've done that a few times.
Pretty
haven't we?
tricky.
If I can
Okay,
move.
leave over toe over here a little bit. One more toe. Not too much. Perfect. There we go. Brice is so good. Against that wall, you turn. Close to the wall. Turn this way. Good job, Brice. And just push both toes down.
You're good.
You're doing it by yourself, guy.
I got it.
You did. Give me 5.
Good job. No.
Wait, go get my mom.
No, I got ice cream, so we got.
Good. Thank you.